This is the APPLLP standalone Android 9 smartwatch phone that doubles as an actual wrist watch or a hand phone. You have all these different controls available to you. Of course, your step count, heart rate, fitness activities, a music player. You've got voice recorder right here, weather. You've got a stopwatch and a various set of timers. All of these across the front of the watch. When you come up, you've got your overall notifications pushed from your phone with a brand new tethering app, mind you, on the phone. And over here, you've got all kinds of different apps available that include access to the new camera module on the top facing outward. It's a true 13 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel front-facing camera for the selfies and doing the video chat and whatnot. You've got, again, all of the things you've seen in the module cards there with the weather and the timers and whatnot. QR codes to scan to get you connected to your phone. And, of course, the Google Play Store, Google Maps, and Google Assistant built into it as well. What are we looking at? This is the APPLLP MAX. Check it out.